how are you?
I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. What about your morning or now it's the evening time?
Yeah, I'm also fantastic so far.
Okay. So could you please introduce yourself
Yeah.
a little bit?
Yeah, of course. So my name is Arshi, and I hail from UP, Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about my qualification, so I have done master, and furthermore I did BEd, and then I was working. But now I am not working due to some reason, and I can say that I took break from the work, from my job, and now I am just aspiring to be at very good in this language, and also I have multiple hobbies, cooking, or stitching, talking to people, listening, watching, traveling, and yeah, that's all from my end. That's pretty much about me.
Do you want my introduction?
Yeah, of course I want.
I am Tanya Singh. I'm joining you from Delhi. I'm a homemaker, having a daughter, and my hobby watching good movies, doing conversation with my co-learners. That's all about.
Okay, yeah, that's
Why
good.
did you
So
why did you left teaching?
yeah, due to some reason, there was some reason. First, I was not getting good environment, and also there was some other problem with me. So that's why I left my job.
It was government job or private?
No, it was private job. If it would be a government job, so then I think a lot of quitting of left that job.
Okay, like being a private school teacher is more challenging than government school teacher.
Yeah, I know. I did never teach in government school, but as far as I can see nowadays, it's a very challenging to be a private teacher. So yeah, it's very challenging. You have a very workload. At the same time, you have to give in your 100%, and also there is one problem in private school. We don't get enough salary.
Hmm.
So that is the one problem. If you are giving your 100%, but you are not, and they think that you are not capable enough to get, enough money. So I think it's unfair. That sucks.
So your
Yeah.
observation are saying in private school they want your 100% efforts, but when we talk about like salary, they are not giving sufficient salary as per your hard
Yes,
work.
they are not
Hmm.
as per our hard work. Yeah.
And there are so many rules and regulations in private schools also.
Regulation we have to follow. Yeah. And we cannot take, it's very difficult to take a day off. It's really very difficult. Even if you are not in that situation that you can join school or college, but you have to go, no matter what.
Yes, no matter what are you
Yes.
facing, you have to join your
What?
class, and they are not giving half day half day leave also. Like you are saying, I'm not
Yeah,
feeling well.
they also, yeah,
Hmm.
they don't give. So these are the problems. So that's why I quit.
Do you think government teachers job are very safe, secure?
Yeah, of course. There is no room for doubt that the government job is really secure, especially for women. But it's really very difficult to get a job, to get a government job.
Hmm.
Before getting a job, you have to face lots of challenges, setbacks, and hurdle in your way. And after that, if they will release vacancies, and if they will wants to get a teacher in government school, that's why. And after preparation of 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, you would be able to get a job. But
Hmm.
after that, if you would be able to, if you are able to get a job, so that time it's really very secure.
But
It's
there is
quite secure.
my one relative. She is government teacher, and in that area there is a flood situation. So she is
Oh.
going by the boat every day. Okay, there is boat service. and they every day, crossing the river. And after that, all the colleagues and my auntie is going to that school. It is a government school.
Yeah.
So sometimes they are
Yeah.
facing, this kind of problem also. But in
Yeah.
private
I
school,
think
you can change private school.
yeah, if I'm not getting a good environment, if I'm not getting enough salary, and if I have experience, so that I can switch in another school. I can go in another. I have an option. But if you once you are in government like job, so you cannot switch, and you can't even imagine to switch or to quit your job
Yes.
because you feel
And
that
hmm,
whatever it is secure. It is also the salary is also quite good. So
hmm.
and also you don't have lots of workload.
And recently, like in UP state, there are vacancies for teachers. Now only B.Ed is mandatory. They are not saying like you have done CTET and some other exams. So you can apply for LT grade teachers. So what is your opinion? It is good opportunity for all the candidates.
Yeah, it is a good, I can say it is good opportunity for all candidate who are preparing for this exam for this vacancies.
Hmm.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Am
you
I
are
audible?
audible. Yes, you are audible. Hmm.
Yeah, but as far as I'm concerned, that in UP, I think for last 5 and 6 years there is no vacancy at all. So and they have released I think 9,000 vacancies in LT grade,
Hmm.
and there will be divided in women and like girls and boys, women
Hmm.
and men's. They yeah they have divided, and so how how many people would be able to get a job? Like I can see that in this because in UP there are high competition to get a job, and as far as I know that there I think more than 10 lakh people are going to fill the form
Hmm.
of this vacancy.
Yes.
So there is if the competition is too high, so if
Yes.
like I am not preparation, yeah, I'm not preparation for government exam at all. Because if there is no vacancy, so what is the use of preparation for so long time? So last, I think I had, I had practiced. I was preparing for government exam before 2 years, but then I quit.
Hmm.
So now I'm not preparing. So how I would be able to secure that job? I am not.
Hmm. But
That job will get
currently
only those
everyone is
candidates who are
currently
preparing.
everyone is talking about this LT grade, recruitment.
But they are not, they are not paying attention the consequences, and they are not paying attention the vacancies. How many vacancies do you have?
We
And
know
I don't
competition
know
is
how
high, but I think
high.
if you have eligibility, so definitely you should give a try, give a one try.
Yeah, I should. Yeah, we should give it a try. But I know that if I am not practicing, if I am not preparing, and if I will practice, if I will prepare in 2 months or 3 months, so I think I would not be able, because there are so many people. They are preparation for long time, so of course they will get a job, and of course they would for sure they will get a job because they are dedicated to get a job.
Yes. Yesterday
They
I
are
was
hardworking.
watching one news, and in that news there was third class AC compartment in train, and there was one couple. They have one kid, and his diaper was full, so they throw that diaper just under the seat. Okay, but there were so many passengers. They were complaining you should go and throw that diaper in the dustbin, but they
Yeah.
didn't stand. They were just waiting for the cleaning worker. Okay, so I
Yeah.
was just thinking, when if they are not coming any cleaning worker, so it is your responsibility. You should take that diaper and you should throw, because it is
Yeah.
belong to your child,
Yeah.
you know
Yeah, of
But
course.
sometimes people are
But
just saying we are paying money for our journey. So why we
so
should throw that garbage?
yeah, 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 yeah. And I think this mindset, 80% people have this kind of
Yes.
mindset.
Why we should go
Eh,
to throw the
Yeah,
garbage?
if we are paying high, so I think this is not our duty. This they consider this not our duty. It's not our thing that we do. That's why they wait. They can
Yes.
wait for
Do you think
one
it's the
hour,
right
2 hours, but
approach?
that
Do you think it's the right approach? Waiting for any
no,
cleaning agent?
no, I don't agree. I don't agree. Why, if you can do so, why are you waiting for so long? It's just a small thing. It's just a small thing. So
Hmm.
go and do. Why are you waiting for a long time? Maybe uh, sometimes situations is not like that. Everyone is available on the time.
Hmm.
Maybe they are stuck in somewhere. So if they are not coming, so you can do what is the wrong of doing this?
But
We all do.
those kind of people always think it's my right because I have paid for this. Why should I go?
Hmm, why should
But
I
it's
go?
totally unhygienic and everyone was suffering from bad smell. So I think it's their moral duty. They should go and throw that garbage.
Yes, of
Because every
course.
person
Yeah.
love the kids, but nobody love their shit, their, diapers, nobody love.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
So how many, you are very already busy person. So how many hours you are giving for this practice, speaking practice?
To be honest, for last 1.5 month, I didn't practice at all. Through virtually, like on video conversation, I didn't do.
Why?
But yeah, because I was busy somewhere. There was, something that I have to do on myself. So that's why I was not getting enough time. So otherwise, I was so, uh, you know. I was thinking and I was so worried why I'm not having conversation. But the problem is that I didn't have time. But I didn't waste. I was, if I don't have person, if I cannot connect to people, because if you want to connect with people, so that, the main problem is time. You
Hmm.
cannot connect any time. There would be a certain time that you can connect with people, but instead of talking on conversation, I am using, AI
Hmm.
to talk with them, because it's very convenient. Because if you are not getting time in a day, so in night you can talk anytime, anywhere. You can use, chat, AI. So I was having conversation 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, and when how much time I have, I just try to talk with AI, and I'm literally getting so much things about,
Could you
I'm literally
please,
getting
could
so
you
much things.
please tell me the name of that AI?
Yeah, that the AI name is Microsoft Copilot. Yeah. Yeah, it's really very, it's really very interesting, and it's really very useful and helpful, and anytime, anywhere, about any, you can do any discussion about anything, and you can tell, you can talk, you can share everything. So, now I'm learning tongue twister, the like 4 and 5, for last 5 days. I have been learning tongue twister, so I'm getting lots of fun with
Is it
AI.
completely free? Is it completely free?
Yeah, it is completely free of cost, completely free. Yeah.
And
So
what do you think
I
about pet animals like pet dog?
a pad, is it a app or is it a
No,
AI?
no, no. I am just asking about animal, pet dog. Like in the society, there are some person who are dog lover. They are keeping pets, but
Yeah.
whenever they are going outside and in the lift also, sometimes their pets are biting others. Okay, they are not covering their mouth. So what is your opinion? How should
I
we
think
treat those person?
I think it's if you are a pet lover, so you it's okay. I think everyone has their own choices.
Hmm.
We can interfere in their choices. If we can interfere in their likes, but there should be a limitation, where you have to go with your pet, like you can keep in your house. So it is okay, because if you are keeping pet in your house, so it is safe, that that pet is not harming to anyone.
Hmm.
But if you are going outside with that pet, so it would be harmful for others. Like I have seen today's a video. There was a someone, he was sitting in the rickshaw, and there was a boy, and he was and their pet,
I
like
think auto
there was a
rickshaw. You
dog.
are telling auto rickshaw, and there was a pit bull dog, and he was
Yeah,
biting the boy.
yeah.
Yes.
I have seen that, and literally I was having goosebumps.
Hmm. And that person was smiling after watching this. His dog was biting that boy, little boy.
Yeah, he was fine, and literally I was, inside crying. How can do, like, there is humanity. Like if you are not a person, and I don't know what kind of mentality do they have.
Hmm.
And
Do you
he's
think
smiling.
there should be harsh punishment for that man because he is guilty
Of
person
course,
and he was
of
threatening
course.
to the that little boy.
Yeah, and he was trying to escape. He was trying so hard to save ourselves. And
Hmm.
then after that, I didn't see that. I didn't watch that video because I was literally, so afraid that how can someone do this
I
thing?
read
And
that
with the
news. That little boy was crying and that pit bull was biting and scaring that boy and
pitbull, yeah,
owner was smiling after watching
smile.
this.
Now, I have seen that video recently, like before 1 hours or 2 hours. I have watched that video.
I was just thinking, yes, you are a pet lover, very good, but you should cover your pet's mouth when you are going for outing and you are using any
Hmm.
vehicle because it is not
Hmm.
safe for everyone.
Yes, of course. They are,
Because it's dog
they are
nature, they will
animal.
bark at the stranger. It's dog nature. So it
Yeah,
is your
this is don't.
responsibility. You should cover your pet's mouth and you should take control.
Of course. And I don't know, I don't know why they do these kind of things. Why they want to show to the world what things they don't they do want to show to others. I don't.
I was just thinking he was mentally sick because I think he should
Yes, of
aware
course.
why he was doing this kind of thing. That boy was crying and he was just
Yeah,
enjoying.
enjoying, and he was just smiling.
So any other
I,
question do you have for this conversation?
I no, I think I don't have any question. We have talked a lot.
So it's
Yeah.
time for going to wind up this session.